In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy Tinkercad circuits. So there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you all of them. If you're currently on your dashboard, you want to go to your Home tab, and then you can find your circuits over here. And if what you wanted to do is actually copy and duplicate a Tinkercad circuit project, you can simply find your project, click on the cogwheel top right, so the settings button, and then click on duplicate, and it's going to create a duplicate of that specific project. And of course, you can then use it over here. Now, as you can see, it says copy of tutorial. If I now go back over here to my Home tab, you can see I have two of them, the main one and then the copy as well. But if you actually want to copy inside your project, so I'm actually going to open up my project over here to show you how to do this. I'm actually going to click on here. There we go. And then if you're inside the project and you want to copy your circuits, it's also super simple. First, you want to select whatever you want to copy. So if you want to copy the entire circuit, what I would recommend is you press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. So Ctrl and A, and as you can see, everything is going to get selected. But if you simply just want to copy a part of this, you could go and click on a specific component, then hold down your Shift key on your keyboard, click on the second component like this, and then when you're holding down Shift, you can just click on all the components which you want to copy, okay? So like this, I selected all of it, and that's going to be one way to do it, okay? But of course, if you want all of it, just press Ctrl and A, and it's going to be much quicker and easier to actually do that. Now, to copy, you have two options. You could either press this button top left, which is the copy button, so you can click on it, and when you click on the copy button, it's now being copied. And if you click on the paste button over here, as you can see next to your cursor, this circuit's going to appear, and of course you can just navigate wherever you want and click, and with a click of a button, mouse button, it's going to confirm and paste it in place, okay? So that's the first way, but of course when you hover over these two up top, it's also going to show you the Ctrl+V and the Ctrl+C buttons. So that's the keyboard shortcuts. When you have your circuit selected, you can press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to actually copy it, and then whenever you want to press Ctrl and V on your keyboard, and as you can see, it's going to give you the exact same thing. You can just click to actually paste it, and there we go, you've successfully copied Tinkercad circuit. So that's how easy that is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.